rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hey, good day traders. StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to look at Savy for May 11th, 2012. This is Save Daily Inc. And we're going to take a look at the technicals. Before we do, please stop by StockLegends.com. And if you go to the alerts tab and click on alerts, you can basically read our research report and view the charts in depth. If you missed our last alert on May 9th, this stock ran up 100% from the open. So if you take a look at the chart here, this is the alert, the day that the stock had traded. Excellent gains for anyone that participated, so congratulations to everyone. Also, we have a new research report up on the reports tab. We've done a prediction here of where we believe the Dow Jones will be headed over the next several months. So if you're interested in the broad stock market, be sure to read that as well. Taking a look back at the technicals, please also be aware you can text Legends to 411-247 to subscribe to text message alerts, and you can join our newsletter and get all this information delivered to your email box as well. So taking a look at the chart, we do have basically what is apparent as a downward trend. We've got a dotted resistance line here moving downward, so this is pushing the prices lower, and you can see that when it comes in contact with it or comes near it, it basically pushes the price further and further down. So the stock is in an overall downward trend. Now what we do have are, there was an area of opportunity where the stock was trying to reverse out of the downward trend. Usually what it likes to do is we pull away sharply away from the resistance line, and then it gives that opportunity to build upward momentum to push against the resistance, and this can create a breakout, and when breakout occurs, the stock generally runs up quite nicely. Now this was a failed breakout. You can see the support trend broke instead, and we remained in the downward trend in this particular instance. But what we did see is that volume had picked up here, and it looked like it started basically that upward move, and then the volume had just kind of tapered away, and there was a lack of interest to basically create that breakout. So the stock continued in its downward trend. We did actually have the TRIX, which gives us our momentum indicators. You can see it crossed down back here near the top of the downward trend, and it actually crossed up, giving us an indication that positive momentum was coming into the stock here, and after it failed to break out, you can see it cross back down into negative territory. But it is hooking back up again, as we are seeing something similar that we saw last time, where we have higher low points pushing upward against the resistance. So now we've actually touched it for the last 2 trading days. You can see it's right on the resistance line, but what we see here now is very explosive volume. Volume is really strong over the last 3 trading days, probably the highest, if you took these 3 days together, probably the highest 3 days recorded in volume the stock's ever seen. So there's a lot of activity going on right now. This is the type of action that we like to see to create a breakout, so we're very confident that we're going to see a breakout occur. We're going to break past this long-term downtrend resistance line, and we're going to see a nice run occur. So we've got a lot of things occurring. We've got accumulation that's spiking up here as well. This is coinciding with the high volume and the price moving up, so the accumulation line is looking very positive right now. And if we can get a breakout here, we're not really seeing much resistance until the dollar area. We can see this particular level here for a long period of time was resistance between about 99 cents and $1.01. So we basically are suggesting that if we do see a breakout, it's a high probability we could come back up to $1. Also, if we can break past the dollar area, we do have more resistance at $1.30, where our last high point occurred. So from 49 cents, it could be another 100% runner for the Stock Legends team. So make sure you do your due diligence on this. And thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.